morning, guys. Today is Thursday, June 9th, and in our devotional today, it says miracles of healing. Now, we know that God heals. We know this beyond a shadow of a doubt. Let's read what our devotional says this morning. Exodus chapter 15, verse 26. I am the Lord who heals you. Jeremiah chapter 17, verse 14. O Lord, if you heal me, I will be truly healed. If you save me, I will be truly saved. My praises are for you alone. Psalm chapter 147, verse 3. He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. 1 Peter chapter 2, verse 24. He personally carried our sins in his body on the cross so that we can be dead to sin and live for what is right. By his wounds you are healed. Psalm chapter 103, verses 2 through 5. Bless the Lord, O my soul, and forget not all his benefits, who forgives all your iniquities, who heals all your disease, who redeems your life from the pit, who crowns you with steadfast love and mercy, who satisfies you with good so that your youth is renewed like the eagles. Mark chapter 5, verse 34. He said, your faith has healed you. Go in peace and be freed from your suffering. And Isaiah chapter 53, verse 5. He was pierced for our rebellion, crushed for our sins. He was beaten so we could be whole. He was whipped so we could be healed. And at the bottom it says, is it physical, emotional, or spiritual healing that you long for? We often don't think about healing enough. Jesus came to heal the people, but that was the smallest part of the miracle. He made people whole again. He healed the leper and changed his rejection into acceptance. He healed the servant and increased his value. He healed woman and gave them dignity. The madman was healed, forgiven, and included in the community. Jesus came to heal the sick and the brokenhearted. And that's good. That's a good devotional this morning because Jesus does still heal. And we did talk about healing and stuff on the disciple server yesterday. That we don't see much of like what happened in Acts. The healings and the miracles and the people in one mind and one accord. And but Jesus, the Lord, is our healer. God is our healer. He still will heal us. And not only heal us, he will make us whole. He will forgive our sins, just as he did the madman. I was trying to think how he listed it in here. The madman, he healed him, and then he was accepted into the community. The Lord can do it all. He can do anything he wants, that he wills. Just ask and have faith. And when you're in a church or a group and they're praying, I pray that they're all in one mind and one accord, just as it talks about in Acts. That's mainly what we were discussing yesterday, is how we don't see a lot of this going on anymore because people are too wrapped up in worldly things, just as the seed that gets choked out. The seed in Matthew that gets choked out, they're too wrapped up in worldly things. So stay focused on God, okay? Stay focused on God. Believe, have faith in the healing. Don't be wrapped up in worldly things. Don't be, if you're praying for a healing for yourself, believe that God will heal you completely, totally. Believe in that healing. Believe that God can do what He says He can do. And it all goes back to trust. Trust in God. That's what we need more than anything, is trust in Him. Trust that He will give us that healing. Trust that He will heal our finances. Trust that He will bring our lost children in. Trust that He'll come and rescue us out of this cruel, mean world. We got to put all our trust in Him. Trust that He will give you peace until He comes. Put your trust in Him, okay? I love you guys. And as always, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, like, share, and subscribe. Join me on the Disciple server. We just discussed this about healings and miracles and the gifts of God and that sort of thing yesterday. So join us on there. Join in the discussions. I love you guys. And if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. Have a blessed day, guys. Bye.